Don't you to go. don't you to go. Don't you to go. Don't you to go.
I'm really sorry for my owner. He's super late all the time. Like, what is this guy doing? Tell him to hurry up, man. Chat, how we doing, everybody? What's good? Welcome back to the streams. Holy. What is popping, guys? Chat, listen. Whoa, what just happened? Just changed the scene over. Welcome back to the streams, everybody. What is good? What's popping? Good afternoon. Good evening. I'm being bitten, man. Look at this. Huh? What do you want? Ah! Say hi to the stream. Meow. No? Okay. Chat. How is everyone doing, man? What's good? What's good? Malenko, Eugene, Tom, Dusty Bikes, Ewan. Teach the cat to say full margin? Yeah, I actually should, eh? Holy chat, we are making some moves here. This 15-minute. Very interesting stuff, chat, happening on price right now. Next raw value video. How my cat is worth 6 figures. My cat's actually worth, yeah, maybe 6 figures. What is up, chat? How we doing, man? Welcome back to the streams. Holy. How's everyone been, though? How has everyone been? It's been a busy day for me, I can't lie. That's why I pulled up a little bit late. I got stuff to do, man. You guys wouldn't understand. Pulls up to stream late and then insults chat, eh? My bad. What's good, Tom? What's good, Gamonado? Holy chat. Let's lock it in. I'm a little bit unfocused right now. We need to focus up. You took a trade today, Mr. SG? No, nothing yet, man. I'm still waiting. All right, wait. She wants to go outside. She's shouting at me. One sec. All right, we're back. She screams at me to go outside and then doesn't even go outside. Listen, Friday today, chat. It's going to be an interesting day, to say the least. We have news today, right? We have some big news events today. You've got unemployment rate, non-farm employment change, hourly earnings, and then PMI a little bit later. So basically, a lot of news. The first event coming in 40 minutes. You got comics open shortly. Ah, now this shit decides to flip, eh? Okay. Jay is so back. Whoa. This guy's back. Chat, let's jump into an analysis real quick. What's good, Gareth? Oh, let me log in. Your welcome is crazy. First day of the month? Yeah, chat, new month. New month, new me. Nah, fuck that. Chat, we had a monthly bearish close on gold for the first time in a long while. So maybe we're going to start to push down here. Who knows? Or we've just been grabbing liquidity, one or the other. But importantly, chat, what's going to happen next here? Let's jump down to the weekly. You are sort of range bound on this weekly here. I can't lie. You've got like pretty strong range between these two areas right here. And we jump to the daily as well. You have flipped bullish now. I mean, technically, bro, I can't even analyze these futures charts. They look completely different. Wait, do I need to? I've already done that though. Yeah, I don't know about the daily, to be honest. But on Forex, daily previously closed bullish. Very interesting closure as well, to say the least. So let's just analyze this for right now. You have a 4 hour. What are you doing, man? Cat's climbing up. I've got like a mosquito net on my window. She's literally like halfway up it. She's like, what do you want? Bro. I don't even know. Anyway, chat. 4 hour now. Basically conflicting biases again, right? Previous 4 hour made a really big bottom wick. This current 4 hours made a big top wick. 1 hour has sort of popped out the range as well. I would say you've got like a decently strong level here. Down towards, or sorry, up here at 32.96 is a pretty decent level. That should take you down towards these areas here at 32.86. First of the yearly. Did I actually say that? My bad. Anyway, once you close above this 97 area, technically you should be looking for a push up towards 33.07, right? However, with the liquidity being grabbed, I think there's a high potential that we close back into the range and fill the range downwards right now. So with that being said, potentially we can look for the fake out sells, to be honest, like sells back below the level. I'm going to put buys above just in case we form some bullish structure. But yeah, right now the hourly did flip after pushing back up. And yeah, this could be very interesting here. So essentially, if we get the sells below this level, we'll be looking to take it down towards the bottom of the range. Are you coming up now? You're distracting me. I'm trying to stream. Okay, you sit there. Bro, yeah, anyway, chat. Oh my days. I've been left on cat duties. The missus is out and I've got to look after this thing. So chat, she's going to join us on stream. Hopefully she gets some nice positions. She's just biting my finger at the minute. But yeah, what I was saying is anyway, previous 30 closed, no bottom wick. Current 30 has basically come down and made a bottom wick. So it all depends on how the fuck we're actually going to bounce out this level. Depends on what we're going to do here. If you start to form some bullish structure again, we'll look to take the buys up towards the top of the range. If we don't, and we've closed back below the range, we'll look to take the sells down. Right in the microphone now. They need to hear me. Yeah, if we close back in the range, we'll look to take the sells back downwards, right? Bro, I don't know what the... Ah! You're aggressive, man. You know that? Just lay down. My missus said, what meal are you putting the cat in? What does that mean? What meal? Or like, what's she eating or what? But yeah, chat, anyway. Trying to lock it in here. Oh my God, she paused the music. Chat. Holy shit. I'm like, wait, let me put her outside. Because I need to stream right now. Fucking... Say goodbye. No, say goodbye. Don't bite me. Ah. Oh, my missus is Asian. Oh, what meal are you putting the cat in? Okay, I get it. Your missus is Asian, crazy. But yeah, trust me. Chat, so basically what we've got now is a confirmed breakout on the hourly, but like I said, the liquidity is all from above here. So if we do close back into the range, I will take the sells downwards. However, if we do sort of start to grab some liquidity from below here on this 15, maybe close bullish, we can take the buys up to fill the range easily, right? And that's going to be a very clean position there. It's going to be a very, very clean position. So, oh my days, bro. I can just hear this cat in the background just screaming away. She's actually so clingy, man. Like, she literally will not sleep if she's not with us. She won't eat if she's not with us. It's cute, but I'm trying to stream, man. I'm trying to make some money right now. Eat the cat? Nah. Can you check trade reviews? Yeah, we'll do in a second, but I want to outline this analysis first. So, yeah, like I said, closure bullish on this 15. We'll be taking the buys upwards. You do have an hourly close here in about 4 minutes. So if we can close bullish here on the hourly, after grabbing some liquidity here, we'll be looking to take these buys up to fill the range. Also, you do have comics open in 20 minutes after the close, and then you have news 10 minutes after that. So we might need to wait here, but I think there's a lot of potential today, to be honest. A lot of potential today. Chat, give me 1 sec. Right. I'm gonna try it one more time. Get a feather on a string and hang it from a fan. Oh yeah, to be fair, that's a good shout. Nah, she's just chilling with me now. She just, bro, she literally has this like toy and she's obsessed with it, but I think she's lost it. That's why she's screaming away. Feather on a string's a shout though. Attach it to a fan? I don't have a fan, but I need to get one. Cat sabotage on stream? Yeah, actually true. Chat, how's your guys' trading week been though? What you guys been up to this week? We have been I've taken 2 trades this week, 2 W's as well. So, oh no, a couple of break evens, but those don't really count, right? We're up 2% on the funded for the week, which is decent. And yeah, just waiting now to see. Oh, you did flip bullish here, which is good. 2.5% yesterday. Good shit, Danny. Congrats, man. That's huge. 2.5% is big. Very, very big, man. 455% from Eugene is mad. Donated blood this morning. Intentionally or accidentally? Chat, look at this break and retest. This is so clean. Took 2 trades on NQ. Didn't realize how wild it is. Yeah, it's pretty crazy. I wouldn't be trading NQ before New York Open, right? Before NYSE. Bro. Aggressive ass cat. Ow. What's good, Kaiser? How's it going, brother? Most confident I've been in my trading this week? W. That's so big. That's huge. Right, I'm gonna have to sort this out. All right, we're good. I got 75 XP right now. What does that even mean? It's like the top chatter thing. So that top chatter is basically like who sent the most messages, I think. Right, let's put some analysis on the futures chart though, because this is very important too. So you did have the same closure, obviously. I still think you've got room up towards these highs here. You do have a minor level, which we did tap into. But yeah, this could be interesting here. With this 15-minute close, I want to watch this. So lock it in here for a little bit. That should take you up towards the highs. I don't see why it wouldn't, right? 1 hour close looks like it's going to be good as well. So if we can just get like a tiny little bottom wick on this 1 hour open, I think we could be good to go here. Go with 40. Stops below the most recent, right? I think that could be very good. So let's see, chat. 20 seconds to the open. We can get a position pre-news. I'm going to be done for the day and we're going to call it, right? But listen, 60 of you in here right now. I appreciate that a lot. Make sure you drop a like on the stream if you haven't already. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. All them good things. And yeah, 5 seconds. Let's see how we open here, chat. Just want a bottom wick here. No? You're not going to give me a bottom wick? Okay, so on Forex, it's completely different to futures, which is always good. It actually is giving us a bottom wick on futures, a little one. Would like a little bit bigger, to be honest. 7.62k subs. Good job, bro. You're growing. Yeah, the raw video we posted blew up, right? It hit like 10k views in under a week, which is kind of crazy when you think about it. Can you check the trading view? Yeah, give me a second, bro. I'm locked in on this position right now. Jellyfish saved my month last night, backing up my short position. W Jellyfish in the Discord. Chat, can you give me a little pop down here, please? Oh, bro, it's going to run without us. You have NFP? Yeah, in 30 minutes, right? That's a long time. We would hopefully be out of this trade by the time that happened. Well, there you go, chat. I don't like how we are like making resistance here though. Kind of an issue. Look at the 5 minute. You made some like strong structure here, like 52, which I don't really like too much. It's good, Jimbo. How's it going, man? 2-hour close nice and strong as well. Strongly above, right? So yeah, chat, I think I'm going to have a buy stop on this candle flip here. I think I'm going to have a buy stop on this candle flip. Oh, no, not I think. I am going to have a buy stop on this candle flip. Stop's going to be below the range right there. TP is going to be up towards the range high. Up here. If this flips right now, I don't really see any reason why this wouldn't continue up, right? There's literally no reason for that to happen. 8 sausages for $2 for dinner? Crazy. That's what we're going to look at taking here. 30-minute before news doesn't worry you. If it gets us activated within the next couple of minutes, then we'll be fine. If we have to close off before news, we'll close off before news, right? But 30 minutes is a long time. We'd hopefully be out of the position by then. We confirmed the breakout as well with the second position. Break-even point is going to be up towards these highs. Bro. That was insane. My cat just tried to jump on the table and fell off. But yeah, look. Basically, premise of the trade is, first of all, we have a 15-minute sky dweller right here, which is really nice. You also have a 1-hour closure above the level. Resistance, no problem on the 15? I don't think so. I think we have enough liquidity to push through there anyway, right? If it doesn't flip and you get some structure being made on like the 5-minute time frame, then we'll take a look. I'm joking, it's crazy. Of course we'll have a look, chat. But yeah, if this 5 comes up without a bottom wick, I'll delete. $30-minute also looks really good, right? Like really, really good. Oh my god, I got activated. How is that physically possible? It came nowhere near the flip and the break. How is that possible? You're literally like 16 pips away. There's no way you got activated there by accident. That's crazy. All right, 5-minute closing, like doji kind of weak bearish, which is not bad by the looks of things. Definitely just pre-entered. Maybe. You can just see a tail in the air. Yo. What's the 5 doing? Bottom wick first? Yeah, not bad. What exactly is the Sky Dweller play? It's exactly this right here. 15-minute tap into a level, closure bullish after a trend retracement. It's just, I have loads of videos on YouTube about it, right? Chat, we're re-breaking the lows here, which is not really ideal, to be honest. But if you re-break the lows and reject, that's just more liquidity, right? So we'll see how it reacts as we do re-break those lows. If not, if it's not within this 5 close, I'll delete. Also, I'm going to bring my take profit down, because not because I don't believe in the trade, but because on this funded, there's a consistency rule and I don't want to go above it. It's like 1.8K for the consistency rule. I think we might be waiting for news, chat. Let's just see how we react here in the next couple of minutes. You don't know the Sky Dweller, it reduces your chance of being profitable by 99%. Fact. Sky Dweller is a banger play. It's actually my favorite play right now, I think. It actually just prints money. Fucking thing, man. Look at it. Just... Bro, she never bites me, but she's going crazy right now. Ow. Run away. Right. We didn't break, we kind of broke the low, kind of made an equal low, right? Which is not bad. Still respecting that level. Any advice on what I should do? ride it out right now, bro. Trend lines plus Sky Dweller equals 104% win rate. That's what I'm saying, bro. You win more trades than you take. It's some, I don't know how it's even possible, but you take 10 trades, you'll win 11 of them. It's weird. That's just how the strategy works. Danny, just keep your stops below that low. Previous hourly. Or below the range, actually. At like 48. The 5 flips, you should be good. You should at least come back to your entry, right? Because if you got entered early, your entry should be somewhere around here. MetaTrader will be adding lots for me, knowing I'm in a Sky Dweller play. Yeah, exactly, bro. You tell the AI, yo, this is a Sky Dweller. It's going to be like, oh, okay, let's increase the average position size right here. Entered at 3,300. Wait, on Forex? Oh, you did get entered near the top as well. Yeah, that's kind of cooked. You sure your buy stop wasn't on the flip rather than the break of the high? Take 10, win 11? Yeah, that's goated. Some people don't know about this. We have a 104% win rate on the strat, 110% win rate. 20 trades, you'll win 22 of them. It's going to take a lot of people some time to figure that one out, but once they do, easy game. But chat, look, a lot of potential on this position right here. If this flips, we're good to go. Overall, we're still bullish. Of course we are, yeah. On the 1 hour structure, higher time frame structure is actually quite bearish, right? But we have broken structure here. B's count as triple wins. Holy shit! If B's count as triple wins, then I'll have like a 300% win rate. I think we might need to wait for news here, chat. What I was kind of hoping for, I can't lie, was to be in a position just before news and like be in not extreme profit, but be in profit and go break even. On futures, you're not really going to get slipped as much. So you can kind of like close 90% and then just let it ride. I haven't flipped. Right? Yeah. You still have the buy stop? Yeah, you can see it on the screen. But I think the futures price action is a little bit different. So if you're on Forex, just be a little bit more careful, especially with spread and everything. Chat, I'm gonna go ahead and delete this buy stop right now. I'm gonna go ahead and delete this because you're getting closer and closer to news now. You got 20 minutes, right? If you flip, you're probably going to rise up, but also you have a 5-minute sort of rejection area right here. I was expecting this 15 to be liquidity, right? And if it was liquidity, what would have happened is it would have popped down and immediately flipped. And that would have been like the play. You know, that would have been basically what was driving the idea behind the play. But since that hasn't happened, we could just stay range bound here for the entirety of the well, until news, right? So this 15 and the next 15, we could just stay in the range. Might need to get out soon because of news. Nah, you got 19 minutes till news. I don't think it's that much of an issue. You're probably going to get an opportunity to exit, Danny, before that anyway. See, like, you should be near break even now anyway, right? Oh yeah, you're in profit now. See? It flipped for you here. W, bro. Good management, Danny. Good management. I like that. Plus 20. $20. W. I got some lunch money. What level do I have to reach in your Discord for you to fly me out? If you join the one-on-one, get a payout, I'll fly you out. Deal? We shook on it. We virtually just shook on it. So jump in there. Fly me out like a bad bee is crazy work. Chat, I can't lie. A load of you guys would definitely get flown out by me. You could be the TRLS groupie. Mums, I reach my hand to the screen. W. Tom, you are a bad B, to be fair. Like, if I had to categorize you into something, you would be a bad B. Send me the bank details. Say less. Say less. Nah, chat. Listen, if you guys do want to join the one-on-one, make sure you go over to my Discord and just DM me the word apply, and you can get some more information. We'll do a free strategy call with you and all that sort of thing as well. What's good, Noel? How's it going, brother? Flying out like Epstein is crazy work. Are you able to review my trade? I will do that now, Mr. Man. Mr. What are you? What doing? What? The difficult name to read, brother. Right, wait. Trade reviews. There's nothing in here. Oh, did you DM me it? No, wait. Ah, now you put it in. Bomber clat. Took sales after that candle closure on the 1 hour and 30 minute below. Got cooked. Good trade or not, sir? Yeah, that one's a bit unfortunate, I can't lie. It did close below. Kind of weak, though. You want to be looking at the wicks here. So, like, for example, I don't know when you entered, but you got a wick rejection, a wick rejection, a wick rejection on the lower time frame as well. I presume it's here, right? Yeah, you started making a bit of strucky, short for structure, which makes it a little bit more difficult, right? I wouldn't say it's a bad entry. You did close below. I think it's just unlucky. Problem is as well, you grab no liquidity on this 30 minute or the 1 hour really. And you did make a higher high here. So technically, yeah, I probably would have been waiting for a break of these lows, right? But I get where you're coming from. But just be careful with that. And also, I would have waited for more liquidity personally. You did grab a small top wick, I get it. But maybe like a sweep of these highs and then the flip down would have been a little bit better. Chat, there's the Sky Dweller play though. This 15 just flipped here. Classic gold, eh? The 15-minute flips just before news and gives us a nice setup. 5 minute no bottom wick though, so I wouldn't have had an entry anyway. Because that is not bueno. Looks like the 15-minute might also close no top wick here, which would be not good. However, if you do close... Oh, it's 15 minutes before news, chat. Bastard. You're a bastard, Jon Snow. Yeah, it's tough, man. If this wasn't 15 minutes before news, I'd be in there like swimwear. Can't lie. But it is 15 minutes before news, and so... Revolut expenses paid 81 euros at Google Workspace. What the fuck am I paying Google Workspace 80 quid for? Yeah, that's daylight robbery. I have to pay rent this month. I don't know how I'm going to afford that. 80 squids. Oh. I've got nothing left. Strucky. Strucky's a good word, man. We've got posish, strucky. What else is there? I don't even know. How much is rent? 14k a month. No, I'm joking. I do have a mate who spends that, but I only pay like 2k a month rent. Nah, it's a crazy place. It's super cheap. I don't know how I got it this cheap. It's because I paid 6 months up front, right? But yeah, it's so cheap for the place I live, man. Like, I love this apartment more than anything. It's fucking incredible. Not more than anything. Chat, we're going to rip through the highs here, man. And we're going to fill the range before news. And we can't get a position, but we have to be disciplined because we're disciplined traders. Why can't I just be an undisciplined trader for once and then just get this nice little position? I'm joking, chat. Too many squids? That is way too many squids, man. Like, I'm not being funny. 80 squids. It's a lot of them. Chat, 13 minutes till the news here. So what we can do now is we can wait for the 30-minute closure, right, on news. Wait for a bottom wick and then take the flipperoonie. We got, wait, let's get the TRLS vocab out here. We got posish, strucky, Flipperoonie. What else? I swear there was another word the other day. Pam. We're not going with Pam. Full mugging. Full mugging. I'm going in. Chat, one day I'm going to do one of those. Boo. Nah, Pam has a bad repertoire behind it because of a certain streaming trader. Rejecki, yeah, that's one. Rejecki, yeah, I remember that. You got the Rejecki off the position. Now, the Rejecki off the Strucky, right, is what's giving us this position. Oh, my days, bro. I actually can't. I'm cooked. Oh, yeah, the Range of Doom as well. We'll call it the Rod. The Rod. For those who don't know, Range of Doom. I like it. Let's leave that there. Chat. Closing full on this position right now. Congrats. 20 pips. What a trade. I actually kept the buy stop on. I lied to you all. I didn't delete it. Congratulations if you took that. No, I'm joking. Of course I didn't, chat. You know me. But we knew what was going to happen, right? It's just you got to be disciplined. Leider nicht. Oh, heilige Scheiße, chat. That is not good, man. Don't forget T-Pizzy and S-Lizzy. No way, bro. I can't run. That's a little bit too far even for me. T-Pizzy is crazy. SG was the sales at 33.46.7 valid in the morning after the 15-minute close bearish engulfing and the closure below the 5-minute support. I took out on gold futures and got a BE trade, then it ran. Whoa. Closure below 33.46 here. Bearish engulfing. This one, right? Or this one? I think sales below here were valid. No, this is gold futures. It would be like, what time? Oh shit, wait, we're talking about today, right? Yeah, obviously. Like somewhere here. Or what did you take? Chat, remember, if you guys do want your trades reviewed, make sure you head into the Discord for free, the free Discord, and send it into the trade review channel. Like, send me a screenshot, and then I can review the trades more, rather than just telling me where the trade was, because then I have to find it, and you make me look like a little bitch, having to go like, was it here? Was it here? Just send a screenshot into the trade review section, and I'll analyze it. Analyze it. I managed to keep my expenses under 1.5k total in July, Australian dollars. Are you taking the piss? $750 US dollars for a month. Is that including rent? Or maybe you own your place, but that is ridiculous. I spent more than that yesterday. I wish I could keep my expenses that low. Holy Sigma. I actually need to work on keeping my expenses a little bit lower. I can't lie. I spend too much money. Spend way too much money, chat. I can't lie. Sorry, Odd. Right. Sorry, Eugene. You're going into the naughty corner again. Timeout for you. You just make it too easy to give you the timeouts. I can't lie. Chat, 8 minutes till news here. Gold is pushing up. That was our position, man. I'm going to start a scrap. Chat, let's storm gold headquarters and just beat them all up. You'd be comfortable with here with 750 per month? Where's here? Thailand or some shit. 750 per month is like a stupidly low amount of money. Pull back. No rent, 750-ish on food, 70-50-ish on shopping and bills. The Philippines. Yeah, Philippines would be sick, bro. I need to go out to Asia, to be honest. That's one of my next plans. I think this year, I'm not planning on taking many trips this year, to be honest, but I think I'll either go to Asia or I'll go skiing for a couple of weeks. I'm tempted to just go skiing because I already live in a hot country. And then I'll do Asia next year, right? Go to like Bali, Japan, all them places. But yeah, for right now, I need to... Bali Trading Villa. Oh, you're so basic, man. Bali Trading Villa. Because no one's ever done that before. No one's ever gone to Bali, rented a villa for like £5 and then traded out of there, made $1,000 and then felt like they're a billionaire. Right? That's the thing with all the people that go to Bali, right? They're like, oh yeah, I'm a full-time trader. It's like, bro, you spend £500 a month. I could be a full-time trader trading 1 day a fucking month if I spent 500. Like, and there's nothing bad about that, but it's like they flex it like they're billionaires, bro. It's just, I don't know, man. The Bali life doesn't really appeal to me. I can't lie. Koh Samui? Yeah, maybe. Bro, I need to do all of that shit. I'm going in full margin. Hey, what's good, Ja? How's it going, brother? Recover me. Sir, I gambled away all of my money on prop firms. Please recover me, please. It's your job. I gamble my money, but please recover me. Shut up. That is literally... Bro. Chat. I've told you guys this before. I have 880 DM requests on TikTok. Every single one of them is... I'll just open a new one, right? Here you go. Literally, this came in this morning. What's up, Tren? I'm from Kenya. Could you help me with $200 to start my trading journey? This is my Binance user ID. Hey, bro, can you help me with 200 USD, please? Please, I need $50 USD. I will return it with 30% interest. Can I get $100 US to start my trading career? Hey, please can you lend me $1,500? I want to register it on Solex to complete my knowledge on trading. Please, I'll refund by the end of the month. I'm DMing you my wallet, so if you open this chat, you can send me 50 USD. Looking forward to hearing from you. Why is this my DMs? Only on TikTok though. On everything else, it's like regular people asking me to learn to trade and like whatever. But on TikTok, it's just fucking retards asking me for money. Speaking of retards asking me for money, chat. She's got a fresh DM through the door. This guy, I've spoken to him before. I'm pretty sure he's learning disabled. Focus, man. Holy focus. All right, I give up. It's Eugene. Can I get a tenner so I can get a Fredo? Yeah, Fredos are probably like 10 quid now, right? Let me get some then. It looks like you got it. See, this is what I'm saying, bro. That's what everyone says. I need $10,000 so I can trade. Thank you, Eugene. Mr. Liquidity. That's what they call me. Should have kept my position. See, Danny? I told you it was valid. I just couldn't take it before news. Nah, Danny, in all seriousness, you did the exact right thing getting out of break even, bro. Like, 9 times out of 10, that cooks you the other way around. Can I have like 15 Australian dollars for some Zins? I'll give you some money for some cigarettes like a real man, but not Zins. Would you believe me if I tell you I have 30 plus payouts? Why would I not believe you? I'm not a cynic who believes trading is not possible, right? If you have 30 payouts, then congrats. All right. Chat, we're ripping up here. Gonna start an e-com store for ICOS. You have to spell it right first. SIGs are only $10 per pack in Australia if you know where to look. In Cyprus, they're €3. Just saying. Like when I look back, what was the position based off of? The 1 hour already had a candle that broke out. Yeah, but then it confirmed the breakout. And the 30-minute was a nice little closure. 15-minute sky dweller. 2 hour closed above. Everything. Thanks, man. My pleasure, brother. Congrats. Chat, let's make $1 billion. I remember going to Bratislava and some guy had a shopping trolley full of cigarettes because they were cheap. Yeah, bro. I used to know someone who used to go on holiday with like two suitcases. This was like probably 10 years ago, and came back without any clothes in the suitcases, just full of cigarettes. Devious work. Chat, wait, let me shut my window. Fucking hell, that's better. I can feel the aircon now. Got on to zing so my lungs don't collapse. Fair. Alright, chat. 2 minutes here till news. Let's start to focus up, man. A lot of potential here with news. This 30-minute close like this, you get a bottom wick and a flip. We'll take the buys. Like I said, I think there's a lot of opportunity here. Wow, wow. You should fill the range up towards 62. I don't really see a reason you wouldn't. When I lived in Chisinau, SIGs were like 3. What is that? I don't even know where that is, bro. All right, cool. Moldova? You lived in Moldova? That's crazy. Can't take news on ACG? Nah, you can't. Not during news, all right? I think you have to wait like 2 minutes afterwards or something. Oh shit, it's a Swiss bank holiday today, chat. I don't know if that matters. Chat, what do we think news is going to do? We've got 30 seconds, quick. Press 1 for up, 2 for down. If you think news is going to push up, press 1. If you think it's going to push down, press 2 in the chat. Quick! 1, 1, 2, 1. Most of you guys think up, eh? That means it's probably going to go down. I'm joking. I'm not joking. We grabbed a pretty decent rejection as well off this 30-minute. But the structure's still bullish here, so... Let us see, man. Let us see what happens. 33.40s? On futures or what? It won't move like the last 5 news days. Yeah, it could do that, to be fair. It might just hover, but I don't think so. Here we go, chat. Oh, what did I say? We filled... Shit, we should have fucking gone... Danny, my bro, you should have held. You should have held. You would have made $10 billion right now. Just saying. Chat, what did I tell you? I told you it has to fill the range. TP hit? Yeah, man. That position we had before news, TP hit. That would have been nice. Problem is, if you had it on a prop, right? Even if you hit TP during news, you get cooked. Data bad, it's up. Oh, yeah. Bad for dollar. So you're probably going to see a continuation upwards here, chat. So what we can do now is wait for like a little 5 closure above the range. Maybe a 50, maybe a 30. I don't know. Either way, chat, I do think you fill the range upwards. I full margined on a $30 account. How much did you make? One sec. We are ripping, chat. Like, purely ripping. I thought, it sucks, but better safe than sorry. Yeah, 100%. Way better to be safe. Up $40 now? Crazy. Since when are you trading gold micro future? For a while, bro, to be honest. That's heartbreaking? Nah, not really. There was no setup, chat. Remember what I keep telling you guys. If there's no setup, there's no trade. 1K in less than a minute. Nice. Love futures. W, man. We got a fresh 50k using SG at Alpha Capital. Hey. Good shit, Jay. Congrats, my bro. Let's kill it then. Going for the top. Caught 40 pips on a UJ short. Nice, Tom. You guys are killing it recently, eh? Chat, we should fill up towards 86 now. No real reason you shouldn't. You do have kind of a level here as well. At like 72, I would say. Yeah, 72 is a pretty strong level. Once you close above there, you should feel the range as well. So maybe we get like a nice little closure. It hasn't even been a 5-minute closure yet after news. Yeah, that is crazy, chat. That position we had, man. Chat, this is a prime example, though, of me telling you, even if it goes in your direction, right? It doesn't matter because you made the right decision. So we had buy stops on this 15-minute flip just here, right? Right here. Yeah, you'd be in profit right now. Well, you would have hit TP anyway, right? Because it was TP here, but what if it went the other way, chat? What if it slipped you and blew your account? What if it did that exact move all the way down? You definitely would have got slipped. Probably get exited out like down here. End up blowing your account, and then what? You know, it's equally as likely to have done both of those things. Holy shit, chat. This is might be a done for the day pattern, I can't lie. This is crazy. So I always put a buy stop and a sell stop. That's insane. Never a buy stop, sell stop. Bro, I sell and book a loss $200. Rehan, bro, what is wrong with you, man? Every day you come into the chat and say you've lost $200. If at that point, just stop trading. Can't lie. Have you had a trade this week? Yeah, I've had like 2 wins, 2 break evens this week. We're up like 3k on the week. Just here. Nice little 3 bag-a-roonies on the live funded. Chat, Apex, by the way, has a 80%, not stop trading in general, I mean for right now. Apex has an 80% sale off right now. The 90% sale ended, but they do have an 80% off right now. So if you do want to grab some accounts, make sure you use code TRLS. I'm thinking about going back up for the milli funding. Yeah, $1 million funding would be pretty clean. 80 pip 5-minute candle, I know. Chat, how many of you guys have got crazy FOMO right now? I bet quite a lot of you. 3% for this week? Yeah, that's fucking sick, bro. Congrats. What do I do, bro? Please suggest me. Watch my YouTube videos. Me not gonna lie. Yeah, man. There's no reason to have FOMO. You had no entry, right? Otherwise, you would have been gambling. No reason for you to have any FOMO here at all. Yeah, oh shit. Yeah, 300 pip 5-minute candle. Not, yeah, I don't know why you said 80, bro. I read it out as well, like that was facts. Holy chat. 300 pip blood clot fucking candle here. Position, Strucky, Flipperoonie, Rejecki, Range of Doom. News trading gambling or not? This is an interesting dilemma you pose me with here, Rehan. Is news trading gambling or not? Chat, what do we think? Yes, quite fucking obviously it's gambling. What's the difference between Wealth Charts, Rhythmic, and TraderVate? It's the platform you trade on. You want to go with TraderVate. It's the easiest by far. And you can connect that to TradingView as well. I have a whole video on my YouTube channel about how to trade Apex. Chat, is stake legal in Cyprus? Or Roobet or some shit? You just gamble on stream. Fuck. think he's banned in the UK, in the EU. There's more news later as well. Yo, if you went buy stop, sell stops on this news, you still would have made money. Plinko balls? That's what I'm saying. I reckon we just fuck off trading and go for the Plinko balls. Probably make more money on that than this market, right? Not in general, obviously. And I'm also joking very heavily, right? There's obviously no money to be made in online crypto gambling, funnily enough. So trying, I lost on sells, no stop loss. I wanted to get my loss back. Why would you do that, man? You get today's award, right? You get today's award. You're the DOD. Donut of the day. You traded news without a stop loss there. You're the donut of the day. Congratulations. Actually, there's going to be 2 donuts of today. Rehan and you. What are you doing? Both of you guys. The DODs. Those 300 pips with a 0.2 W, man. Actually, not W. It's still kind of gambling, but I know you did it on purpose. Had to close manually with minus $2,000. Lost my account. Wait, I think you're joking, right? I'm actually going to say that's a joke. I don't believe you would do that. If you've been in TRLS for long enough, I don't believe you'd do that. If you did do it, go over to the mirror and have a hard fucking look. How do I deal with TradingView not having available brokers for the Philippines? What, on Tradeovate? I think you can trade on Tradeovate from wherever. Holy. So I buy on the 23rd of July and still hold? 23rd of July? When is that? Fuck off. No, you didn't. Stop it. Chat, what is this? Fucking Degen Traders Anonymous or some shit? What's going on? You guys are cooking with the... we may as well be playing trading don't bingo or some shit. Whatever the do's and don'ts are in trading. Playing bingo with that shit right now. We got full margin, no stop loss. Revenge trading in the chat. Fucking... Holy Sigma, chat. I don't even know what to do. I bought gold in 2010, sir, and I'm still holding. My broker already retired. Crazy. Tried to connect it, broker, and it says no brokers in your region. Use a VPN then, I guess. $10 billion. Seems chat is having a group roller coaster today. Yeah, I was gonna say, man. Chat, what is going on? What's going on, fellas? That was a bit saucy, I can't lie. A bit fruity, I mean. Chat, luckily I held those buys though from all the way down here. So I'm probably gonna close full now at like 350 pips. Just made $10 billion, like I said. Congrats. It's 145. Gareth, you're right, man. 145 every day on the dot. We start to just get degen in chat. I don't know what's going on. Every day, 145. Thank you for entertaining my questions, brother. Any questions are welcome here, man. Apart from buy or sell. If I just leave this here, chat. You know what I can do, chat? I'll just say I caught this, post it all over Instagram, right? And then just include a link to my course. Infinite money glitch. Holy shit. Why have I not thought of this before? Holding my UJ short runner to 140 or BE. I don't give a fuck. He doesn't give a fuck. NY session going to be crazy? I don't think it will. I think he's already done the move. I think that was the move. The ROD is filled. There's no more Strucky. There's more Strucky. There's no position. Not going to lie. Yeah, we're cooked. I think we might be cooked, chat. I buy here. Okay, sir? Yes, full margin. I'm going in. Chat, I'm going in. Full margin. Can't lie, this week's been pretty dead. At least you followed the plan though, right? Just use the McGarry signal for a full move. The most legitimate trader on the business. Saw a video yesterday of HS Tiki Toki. I actually kind of rate the guy. It's quite funny, but he was showing a trade that he took. He was like, 55K closed. Look at this live broker. It's like, yeah, bro, you have a broker deal, you know? I've been offered the same deal, bro. Like, I've been offered a deal saying, yeah, fucking, we'll just put you in mad profit positions and you can show your audience. Yeah, sick. Well, I'm not gonna actually fucking do that. Oh, chat, top wick of doom, right? This is a crazy monthly top wick. Check chat for stream review. Oh no. Oh no. Please. Please. Sir, I took this 4 a.m. and lost. Was it a bad trade? 4 a.m.? What do you mean 4 a.m.? Yeah, because you took a trade within the range, right? This is literally within the range. You didn't get a breakout or anything. You just took a trade right at support. No bueno. I feel like you're making stuff up now, though. Up 3.6 on my Val this week. Hoping to pass it today, but we go again next week. Take it slow, Mr. Gareth. It's not Sky Dweller? No. No. Chat, there's nothing I can do here. Like, literally, fuck all I can do here. I have a feeling this guy's trolling. Yeah, I think so too. Chat, 400 pips. Oh, let's call it an early week. I can't trade this, chat. Like, there's literally zero way for me to trade this. Listen, if you guys are still trading, then good luck, I guess. This is cooked. At least wait for a lot of structure. Trade review real quick. Send one in. Where you took sells here? Oh no, you took buys here, right? Yeah. Bro, you guys are trolling, man. What's your news trading strategy? It's either a breakout and a flip using the news volume, or wait for a breakout 5 or 15 minutes after news. Or, Danny, just go watch the blood clot video. 40 to 1 hour out? No, it's 1 to 40, right? Oh, yeah, no, 40 to 1. Yeah, you're right. You want to see the broker statement? I send now. I really hope you are trolling, bro. I can't lie. Chat, let's play a GeoGuessr and call it a week, man. Look, it's been a crazy week. If you haven't already, make sure you go check out the most recent YouTube video, because that one is a banger. Basically a super crazy strategy vid. And yeah, it's going to teach you what the fuck? Chat just stopped me from spamming links. Chat, jump in the geo, man. There's literally nothing we can do here. It's just ripping. No structure, nothing. And I'm tired as well, man. It's been a long week for me. I'm going to go record a video later tonight. Like a nice little raw vid as well. I don't know where I should go do it, but do it somewhere cool. George Soros. Crazy. That's a great reference. Chat, if you haven't already, make sure you like the stream, right? We got 24 likes on the stream only. Outrageous wording, by the way. What wording? Yo, that's a crazy whip. That is a nice... Oh, that's... Bro, that's literally my car. Not the pickup, the fucking range. I feel like it's got to be... I would have said America, but I think it's... Oh, it was America. Cuckery. Oh, it was Canada, actually. Ah. Discord broker statement. No. Oh, wait. I need to lock in. What is this? What the fuck? Chat. Oh, wait. I might know where this is. I think it could be like... Wait, not here. Like here? Fuck, I was very wrong. I thought it might have been Morocco. West Bank. Wait, you sent a broker statement. Brother, why? Why you take sell? Cooked. I think that was also, I think that was it. Also, SG, I'm done. This was a life changer for me. Appreciate your lessons. It's only the beginning. Yeah, Tony, good stuff, man. It is only the beginning. You are completely right. Wait, where's the sign? Chat, there was a sign right there. All right, I feel like this is somewhere like this. Chat, we still ripping? You think you can help me with a one-on-one, sir? Yeah, DM me on Instagram if you, or on Discord if you want the one-on-one, man. I can definitely help you. It's just like... Yeah, there's a lot of criteria, right? I'm sorry to hear that, though, man. That's tough. Or am I cooked? No, you're not cooked, man. No one's cooked. Everyone's done that. Like, the things you're talking about right now, everyone's made the same mistakes, right? It's just part of life. I don't know where this is. Kenya, Botswana, South Africa. Fuck, I was going to put Kenya as well. I would have been so close. Oh, chat, I'm actually cooked here. I'm not even top 5. I haven't been locked in, to be honest. Wait. Saw some squiggly letters. Where's Lake Ikeda? Not there. Fuck. Chat, listen, look, that's it from me, man. Congratulations, Jar, securing that first place. JJ second, Ethan third. Look, man, unfortunately, news just absolutely cooked us. We would have had a nice little position here, but it was pre-news. I don't take trades pre-news. You know the vibes. Listen, it's Friday. Don't ruin your trading week forcing a trade when you don't need to. Go and have a nice weekend. Enjoy the time. Spend some time with your family. Do something nice. Do something good for yourself. Other than that, chat, look, listen, that is it from me. Hopefully you guys have a great rest of the weekend. I'll see you guys in the next one on Monday. Make sure you jump in the free Discord if you haven't already. And yeah, chat, look, that's been it from me. Much love. Peace out. See you on Monday. Bye-bye. Don't go.